Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's the start of a new month. I wanted to go over why DEVS is up over 20% today and what I'm kind of looking for. So why don't we start with the dilution risk on DEVS. So if you'd like to get in our free overnight momentum Discord group right here, there's going to be a link in the description. It's completely free. Click into that link, you'll get view only access, and in order to get full access, all you have to do is add your email to the URL, to this URL, and reply to the welcome email with your Discord username. So let's take a look at DEVS. I typically like to start with the offering risk because I focus a lot on overnight momentum, and that's taking stocks long overnight. And if there's a lot of offering risk, I certainly want to be careful about it. Looks like Ask Edgar is loading a bit slowly. So why don't we actually start with what DEVS looks like. We'll go a little bit out of order. You can see it is kind of a serial diluter. It once was as high as 154. Looks like they had a split, so that doesn't really account for the split. But today it's kind of gapping up. It's a day 2 move, and the volume is 86 million. On Friday, the volume was 580 million, so definitely a little bit lighter than the prior day's volume. Maybe it would have been a good overnight, but it closed kind of weak, so it wasn't something that I was participating in. If it closed around 45 cents or in the top 20% of the move, there's a good possibility that I would consider taking this long overnight. Why don't we take a look at... Oh, here we go. Things are loading a little bit slow, and that might be because I have so many LLMs open right now, as well as this video player. Looks like they have 5 employees, so not too big of a company. If we look at stock analysis, you can see that their market cap is a little bit over under 5 million. Their enterprise value is 16 million, so they're definitely carrying some debt, it looks like. Total debt 13 million, cash only 800,000, so definitely a little bit lopsided in terms of their balance sheet, carrying a lot more debt than cash. Not exactly what I want to see. Net cash is negative 12 million. Looks like the offering risk isn't too high, so that's one thing that's going well for it. I'm not sure if they have any news. They had some news on the 29th. Looks like they confirmed a 3-party business combination, and that's probably why the volume was 500 million on Friday. Anyways, this stock looks decent. If it closes in the top 20% of the move, we'll be talking about it in the overnight momentum group into the close from 3:40 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. on Voice, and it's something that we might take long overnight. At least that I might take long overnight. So we would love to have you in the group. It's completely free. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Hope to have you.